Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another diecast video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! You haven't seen this in a bit, for a while, this scenery. You got my Hot Wheels display here, you got my shelves back there, the big shelf for all the Hot Wheels, and that little shelf right there with all my M2s. The big shelf has my Hot Wheels and Matchbox and some Johnny Lightnings and AWs. So, alright, that means I got 3 boxes to open for you, and 2 of them are from Redheaded Mama. And the other one is from Car Collector. All these videos are from Whatnot. I'll put both of their links in the description down below, along with mine, so you can sign up and get your $10 in-app credit. Oh my! If you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. $10 is really going to help you out on there. First purchase, when you sign up, you get your $10 in-app credit. That $10 can help you pretty good. Mm-hmm. So sign up under my link right there, down below. Go check it out. Oh yeah! All right, everybody, I'll be right back. And when I come back, I'll open these boxes. All right, Jelly Beans, I am back. Let's get with the Car Collector first. See what I got from them. Tumble. I should have brought my keys downstairs, but I was not thinking. I do not think at the time. But when I do, it's unsurprised. Yeah, that was not hard at all. And Jelly Beans, I have some things going out to Redheaded Mama. I'll be sending them out this Friday. Car Collector, great packing. Thank you very much. What is this? Ooh, yeah! Station wagon. That's a really nice wagon. I forgot I got that one. I really don't do Lucy's, but I was saving it from being destroyed. Alright. There we go. No, Lucy. Here's the Vista Cruiser with the 2 pepperonis in the back. Oh, yeah. Actually, the Vista Cruiser and this wagon both came out of the same 5-car pack. That's a really nice car, the Vista Cruiser. Got a little weight to it. Thank you very much, Car Collector. Alright. Let's see what I got here. Some Matchbox, and I like this packing. What do we got here? Ooh, I like this. Here's a Matchbox. New model for 1997. Ford 1956 pickup truck. Super fast. y'all gotta find a different thing than stickers. I hate stickers. That's really nice. I like that a lot. Thank you very much. That's got some weight. Alright, here we go. Here is Volkswagen Beetle. The Park Patrol. That's really nice. I like that. That's really nice. Woohoo! Ooh, shoot. That's really nice. What we got here? Here is moving parts, it says. The Desert Rescue. Volkswagen Beetle. I like that, it's really nice. And first responders. I like that. Here is a new look. That's what it says. GMC. Doesn't even say what year it is. For this new look. I guess it's new look for '97. I'm not sure, but here's a GMC wrecker. Excuse me. Thank you very much. I like that. Yeah. The car collector, he always puts snacks in everybody's bags. Some golden flake cheese puffs and sour cream and bunions. The car collector. Thank you very much, Mr. Car Collector. Alright. I'm gonna do the Red-Headed Mama small box first. Can't rip off the address because I need that address for when I sent her El Caminos. I love her packing. She's the best. What is this? Oh boy, what do I have here? I love it. The Lane Lowrider. That's a neat looking car. That's a neat looking car. Thank you very much, Red-Headed Mama. Oh. My first time ever getting these. I want to open them up. Here's a little Indy car. Thank you. That's a nice looking Indy car. The loose cars I have are on a table. I won't take them off. There you go. That got a spot on a shelf. And then, that thing. Time to open up the other one. What do we got here? That's a weird looking car. It's nice, but it's weird. Two different color tires. The wheels, I mean. Thank you very much, redheaded mama. Alright, time for the bigger box. I went with the small one first. Because I know with a big box, I know I'm guaranteed at least one M2 or more. Redheaded mama knows how I roll. She had a couple black school buses. She showed me. She actually messaged me on Whatnot, and I didn't see them until late because I was in West Virginia. I was visiting my boy Will. Past Friday, who passed away this past Monday. Monday morning about 3:30 in the morning. Monday. No, wait a minute. Yesterday morning. My bad. Yesterday morning. Tuesday. At 3:30 in the morning. Went to go down to see. I love her packing. Went down there to see him. Hung out with him for a little bit, and he went to the hospital Saturday morning, and stayed there ever since. Woo-wee! Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Limited edition new casting. 1979 Chevy Monte Carlo! Woo! That's a nice one! That's very nice. I like that. I'm glad I changed my mind and said, yeah, I want that. That's nice. Ooh, some Johnny Lightning. Oh, yeah. I'll save that one for last. I forgot Party foul. Again. I think I messed the box, the card up. It happens. A 1977 custom Dodge van. Got the Lunas Tunis on her. That's nice. I like that. I like that. My grandpa used to have a Dodge van like this. That's probably why I bid it on it. Alright, here we go. The Racket. The Racket one. Okay, here is an M2. An Oldsmobile. Yes, you see the hood. It's I actually can't see the year of the Oldsmobile because it's covered up. That's a nice Oldsmobile. It's an Olds 442. That's nice. I like that. I'll probably find another one. So I could so I could put them side by side, or try to stick the hood back on that. That's really nice, Jelly Beans. I like it, but you know what? I don't care. I don't need another one. Thank you very much, Redheaded Mama. Thank you very much. This is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Don't forget to follow Redheaded Mama and the Car Collector. Peace!